Ang galing naman ni ate. Tubuan pa daw siya. Ate, tubuan pa daw siya.
That is so funny. Look, Zoe, she's sleepwalking. That's okay, Zoe. Linda, and second nap.
Huwag mo siyang pahawakin. Kakalat niya yan.
Now we can go out. And let's see if we can find
Naku po.
Trey. Hey, there's Mr. Tree.
Ay. Sige.
Let's walk Linda around the park. We're gonna have a picnic.
Sino
And
ito?
oh my God, Zoe, there's Trey.
Ano naman?
And look, Zoe, Gray's tail is in the shape of a heart.
Oo, ano yan yung gata? Nanimot sa kamay.
Let's see what happens if we answer no to what you adopt Linda. I'm scared.
Subuan mo siya ate.
Find out. Look at Linda.
Ang dami niya na nakain kanina eh.
Snowy.
Gusto pa rin kumain.
Yeah, she totally thinks.
Subuan mo na lang siya ate. Ayun na.
Blur that. That's pretty
Sabi ko sa'yo, subuan mo eh.
Look, Silly, a new rookie showed up at our door. It's Brian. And you look so cute and fucking. Guys, if you haven't already, you get to like
Sige, Larry.
now if you want
Ang epal.
Buti na lang mo. Gutom ka, baby? Oo, naman. Ako na. Gusto.
nice. I'm gonna see what happens if you don't.
Lalo kanin na yun. Gutom na gutom ah. Kanin pa.
Using a trash bag to stay warm, and he's flying.
Paano mang kawawa yan? Gutom na gutom.
Mami!
I feel really bad for Brian.
Ang mami!
Right? Does it have a triple bone in his body?
No. Oh, ikaw na ate.
Mama! Wala!
In our house. Oh my gosh. Why don't we play some video games with this, Silly? Brian loves video
Bilisan mo na kay... Wala nang laman yung bibig niya.
Wala!
Subuan mo ulit siya. Ang kalat niya, oh. Huwag na yan, dirty na yan. Dirty na yan, sa sahig. Ay, maldito. Dali na dyan, Jen. Ang bagal mo kasing pakain sa kanya. Ano ba? Ang takaw naman.